Hello friends! Here we are. I have my February Wantable style box. So I am super excited. Look how big this one is. Alright, put it on my porch, my FedEx guy, and I was like, ooh, that's a good one. I love it when I get the really big boxes. Okie dokie. You ready to see what's in it? Ta-da! Okay, first item. This, actually it's like crazy soft. It's fuzzy inside. It's almost like a little sweatshirt kind of deal. This one is a gorgeous tan color, 3/4, I'll start reading you guys. The info, 3/4 sleeve plush crew neck pullover in mocha, $59. Cute, right? Looks really cozy. And our second item, I think these go together, I'm gonna try them on together, is a darling pair. It's also like super soft of like lounge pants. Let's see, wide leg pant in black, $68. And it is almost like cross between like jersey knit and like sweatery. Bet those are super comfy. Very cute. We'll see if that's cute together or not. Can't wait. Okay, next up, I'm excited about this one. Some darling spring and summer denim jeans. These are by Unpublished is the brand. Jan. Jan is a style. High waist, slim, flare in picnic. And the price on those, $89. And you think they'll be long enough for me? I'm 5'10". The back looks cute. And they kind of have like a little bit of natural distressing. Can't wait to try. Okay, let's see what we got next. Haha, this one is super fun. It is I think I had this on my wish list. It's like a grayish blue, maybe a little more soft gray, faux fur leopard bomber jacket. Yeah, totally. I hope I love it. And, oh, now that it's almost spring, it's on sale. It was a $90 item. It's now $44. So now I really hope I love it. That would be a super cute little spring item. Okay, ooh, next up. This one was on my wish list too. Normally I'm like anti-accessories, just because I don't use a lot of accessories. I will buy like a really practical backpack purse and use it for like 3 years. But I thought this was really cute. Oh, I probably need to extend it. I love the mustard. The size looks good. It might fit my wallet, because I have a big, like one of those big old checkbook style wallets. So try it. I like it. It's cute though. Could probably use an update. My Fjallraven backpack's starting to wear out, but never too worn out for hiking, right? Okay, this is cute. This is Lush brand. I do like Lush. Color block button down cardi in camel blue. Oh, on sale, guys. It was $70. It is $34 for this darling cropped sweater. Oh, I hope it works. I hope. Okay, one more item. Ooh, this is so soft. A really super cropped, amazingly soft turtleneck cropped sweater in blue, $69. Well, it's got like this really thick, if you've ever felt like felted wool, it almost has that feel. It's like super soft and like thick and dense. So, okay, let's try some of these on. All right, how about this little crossbody? I like it. I want to make sure it's big enough. It's super soft. Looks like it would be easy to get in and out of. Nice and roomy. a lot of little zippers and pouches and a lot of good stuff for like sanitizer and masks and all the stuff we need these days. And I'm actually wearing, I just threw it on over the outfit I was wearing today, which is wantable. So I'm like, all right, this is the lounge outfit. I'm digging it. I think it's cute. The pants definitely have like a really nice flow and feel to them. And the cropped sleeved top hits at the right spot. Cute. What do you think? Yes, no? Would you wear it to lounge in? I totally would. Okay, I'm trying jeans on, but I kept that little top on because so I would never pick something like this boring, right? I'm like, beige, neutral. It's actually super cute. So the jeans are the new item I'm trying. Nice flare. Incredibly comfortable, and look at this. Long enough. I am 5'10". I'm so tall I can barely get in the camera. Boom. Love them. Yeah. High waist. We'll see. So here we are with the bomber. What do you think? Oh, deep pockets. Fuzzy, fuzzy deep pockets. I like the, I did want to try one with like a snug waist. Here's that cropped Lush cardigan. Definitely a little more cropped than I expected. But I kind of like it. I'm totally unsure. What do you think? Cropped cardi? Yes or no? So the good news is I have 5 days to try these on, and I like to bring them down to my bedroom and just leave the box there and try different ones on. Take my time, make the right decisions, and find out what I love and what I don't love. All right, here is the last and final item. Cropped Vegas thick sweater. What do you think? I'm like, I kind of love it. I kind of don't. I don't know. Time will tell. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Did you see anything that you think I should keep or that I should definitely not keep? Let me know. I love my Wantable boxes so much. A couple of my favorite reasons. One is because they send you 7 items to try, and I need a lot of items if I'm guaranteed to find something that I like actually love. I also appreciate the fact that they always have sale items. 2 of these 7 were on clearance for half off. They use actual people stylists. These pockets are sweaty. I think it's hot up here. So they look at what I like, they look at what I have, and they pick things that I think I will enjoy. So, and I know there's a few more, but those are a couple of my must-have reasons for sticking with this company. I'll leave my little link below if you want to check them out. It gives you some freebie money toward your goodies. All right, thanks for watching.